Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on dark theme on Gmail app on Android phone. If at the end of this video guys, you find it so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First thing to do guys is to go to your phone and search for Gmail app. After that guys, go ahead and open it. When you open your Gmail, come to this three line. Then click on it. When you click on it, scroll up and get to settings. When you get to settings, click on it. Then it will bring you to this page. Go ahead and click on general settings. When you click on general settings guys, under this page you see a lot of options. The first option there is theme. Click on theme. When you click on it, this message will pop up. Under this theme you have light, we have dark, and we have system default. Then go ahead and click on dark mode. Just click on the dark mode. You can see the changes on your screen. So guys, that's how to turn on dark mode on Gmail app. You find this video so helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, give the thumbs up, and turn on the notification bell for more updates so that you'll be notified whenever I drop my video. Thanks for watching guys. See you guys in the next video.